Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Lintang Anindya nastiti with NPM 220882612, and I will elaborate my answer for the final exam last week, and I will answer for the problem number 2. This is the problem number 2, and this is the questions. The intention of this problem is to identify the appropriate shock absorbers for the STT suspension system to prevent satellite damage due to rough terrain. This involves solving the corresponding non-homogeneous differential equations for the first model Ft equal to 100 sin 40n and evaluating the displacement for each shock absorber. Furthermore, we will select the optimal shock absorber for the suspension system based on its performance and long-term impact on the satellite. And the initial thinking of this problem is homogeneous and non-homogeneous equation solutions, displacement analysis, and shock performance. The idealization for the model assumption first on the shock is modeled by Ft equal to 100 sin 40 Ftn, and initial conditions modeled by x0 equals 0 and xn 0 equals 0, and mass of the satellite is 1800 kilograms, and specification for each shocks, spring constant is k and damping coefficient is beta. And we will use the equation of motions mx plus beta x plus kx equal ft. And this is the code for non-homogeneous equations. This code will solve the non-homogeneous differential equations for each shock absorber and plot the displacement over time. And this is code for displacement analysis. So we need to find the maximum and minimum displacements, x max and x min, for each shock absorber with this code. And the result will show the maximum and minimum displacement for each shock. And to determine the best shocks, based on the displacement results and the performance in the long run, we will determine the best shock absorber for the suspension system and explain the decisions. And this is the code for homogeneous equations. This code will solve the homogeneous differential equation for the recommended shock and plot the transient and steady state solutions. That's all for me. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.